Hello explorers, thank you so much again for joining me on another travel packing series video, this time showcasing my full lineup of Uniqlo bags that are meant for lightweight minimalist travel. I'll be showing you the storage capacity in each of them along with all the pockets and dividers with organization in mind. So let's get started. Okay explorers, so let's take a look at the entire lineup of Uniqlo bags that I like to take traveling with me because they are incredibly lightweight and have great amount of storage and pockets. Let's start with the smallest capacity in the lineup, which is the Nylon Crossbody Bag. This is in the color beige, 31 beige, and all the bags have, of course, adjustable fasteners. This one just has a clip, which is convenient for a take on and off. It features a pocket closest part of your body, so you can keep boarding passes and tickets. I will have a video linking all of these bags and also what fits in them on the description, and I'll be linking it in the video as well. So it has that back pocket along with this main compartment pocket and two dividers right over here. So this is a really great bag for traveling, especially taking to the airport, but it's on the smaller side for capacity. You can still fit so much, and I really stuff my bags usually. But this is the overall organizational and dividing storage for this sling bag, the Nylon Crossbody Bag. The next one that we have is the round mini shoulder bag, which is the bag that everyone knows and loves and has as well. This is in the color 32 beige, and as you can see, it's one main pocket right over here. And of course, I can see why everyone loves this bag. It's just a big main compartment, and it features two dividers as well too. So you can just sort your items. And that's really all the organizational pockets that you need for a very basic but very minimalist bag. And I love that it has just a very widening storage compartment as a main bag. This is the round mini shoulder bag in the color beige. Now, before I show you my absolute favorite bag in the entire lineup, I want to share with you our sponsor, which is Magic Mind. This is my favorite mental performance shot. I love the shot because it really helps with having a sharper mind. It calms you down, it lowers your stress, it helps with memory as well, which I love having a sharp memory. And it has so many vitamins as well, and the caffeine boost is amazing. It's jitter-free and crash-free, it's sleep-friendly as well, and it just has so many benefits to it, and the matcha flavor is just nice and subtle. So I really love having Magic Mind. It fits in every single one of these bags, as you can see, because of its small and compact size. And I love working with them and collaborating with this amazing company just because I, first of all, love the size, always being able to pack it into any travel bag, but also I love the benefits of having a sharper mind and having a small caffeine fix without the jitters and the crash later on. So I'll be linking my discount code for Magic Mind. Check them out. Okay, time to introduce my favorite bag in the lineup, which is the mini shoulder bag in the color 32 beige. When I saw that this bag was released on the website, I had to have it. It's my absolute favorite bag because of the shape of it. I feel like a lot of bags are very wide, tote-wise, and people are very fond of them, which is fine, but I've always loved a vertical shape for a tote or a crossbody bag because I like standing things up, whether it's water bottles or umbrellas. This is my favorite bag shape and my favorite bag in the Uniqlo lineup. So again, it has a monochrome strap and adjuster. It also has a front pocket that has a little magnet right here, little magnet closure. Very spacious over here. Very good to access those quick grab items. And inside features a very wide main storage compartment along with a single divider as well. So I'm very fond of this bag. It matches everything I have, and I love the colorway as well. So it's a very beautiful, like, cafe latte. My favorite mini shoulder bag. Next in the lineup is the humongous shoulder bag. I know a lot of the names for the bags are very similar. I wish they were a little bit more creative with the names, but that's okay. This is a massive shoulder bag, and as you can see, the size comparison and difference. I mean, my goodness, it it fits 3 of the round mini shoulder bags. It is so big, but I love it. It's perfect for travel. So this has a very wide strap because I'm sure you can fit laptop or an iPad, as I usually do, and again, the monochrome fastener. In the back closest to the body, there is one massive zipped up pocket right over here. You can fit all of your very important essential items. And in the massive main compartment, which has 2 zippers, by the way, very convenient, we have a very wide opening right over here, along with 2 stretchy pockets, dividers. So it's really nice, and you can actually wear the bag this way or this way, but I prefer having a secret pocket in the bag. This is the shoulder bag in the color Natural. Last but not least is the multi-pocket shoulder bag. Now, as you can see, I'm used to my neutral colors. I don't usually go for the color black. But the reason I wanted to get this bag is because this bag features the most zippers and compartments out of any of the bags so far. So it has an adjustable strap with the fastener. It features 2 side pockets, and they're both different too. One of them has a little clip button right over here, so maybe for an umbrella. On the other side, it has an adjustable zipper for a water bottle, depending on the size of water bottle that you have. It features 2 outer zipper pockets that are very wide and very spacious. They're both the same pockets, and the zipper pulls are very, very comfortable as well. In the main compartment, we have a dedicated laptop sleeve with a Velcro fastener, or you can put your iPad in there, and it features 2 main compartments, dividers right over here, and of course the main storage. So this is a very nice bag. It's very big, perfect for travel. I've used it for the gym as well, and this is so lightweight. This doesn't weigh anything at all. The biggest bag, people have used it as school bags as well too. So very fond of this one. It matches anything you would own as well too, but I do love the lighter colors of the lineup. This just has the maximum capacity for storage. Thank you so much for joining me, explorers, on another travel packing series video, this time featuring my full lineup of Uniqlo bags that I take traveling with me, which are always very lightweight and incredibly spacious with a lot of organizing pockets and dividers. So if you want to see the video of what I put into those bags when I travel internationally or domestic on flights, that video will be linked in the description down below. So thank you so much for joining me once more, and thank you for our sponsor, Magic Mind, as well. Goodbye, explorers.